Hi there guys and girls, as the title says, we're going to improve your drumming in 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Hi there guys and girls. So basically the next 5 minutes I'm going to show you my technique on the bass drum and what I use to get fast doubles. I play my heel up off the footboard. Now what that allows you to do is control your ankle a little bit more to get those fast doubles. The movement is more from your ankle, your knee and your thigh than when you play heel down and it's more just ankle. Some people will tell you that heel up is not the correct way to play. I can show you clips of 100 professional drummers, some of the best in the world, that play heel down that also bury the beater into the drum. Now, as I said, there is a time to play heel down when you want some soft, just bass drums, playing in a small room, small gig, something like that. Yes, play heel down because it helps you control the sound to a very low level. And as I said, I also bury the bass drum into the skin. I like that sound. Once again, I could show you drummers, professional drummers, that do that. There's no rule. You can play however you want to play. Whatever techniques you want to use. If it goes with your sound and it's what you enjoy doing, then go for it. Okay, so I'm going to show you my technique, which is a slide technique, and what it involves is moving your foot back for the first stroke into the middle of the board, or just, this is slightly exaggerated so you wouldn't move quite that far. I'll show you when I speed up exactly how far I'm moving, and then move it forward for the second stroke. Okay, so it's back for the first, forward for the second. 1, 2, 1, 2, and your foot is literally just sliding up and down the fretboard. Okay, so now I'll speed it up a little bit for you. I might slow it down on the camera so you can see in slow motion what my foot's actually doing. You can also play 16s with these, so I'll show you them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can play 16s with those as well. It does take a little bit of time to get used to. You will have to work on it. And it really helps when you're doing your doubles or your singles with your hands, but into two strokes. So right, left, bass. Just helps you get that control, because you can play faster like this and keep up with your hands. Where heel down, you won't be able to do it. Some of you might be struggling to get your bass drums in the right places. This will help, mate. Okay, so I hope that helped loads. If you please like, subscribe and hit that bell, that would be great. There is a link in the description down below for a site called Buy Me a Coffee. If you'd like to support the channel or get involved, please leave me a donation if possible and just help me out a little bit, allow me to do more of these and get out there even more. Cheers. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye.